Nate here at Dry Dock Marine Center. Today we're talking about our Cruiser Harris LX160 FS fishing model. 16 footer. Comes with a 40 horsepower Mercury command thrust engine. Full vinyl floor in this boat. Keep that warm dirt clean. Nice big bench seat here in the back. Passenger seat. Driver's seat. Capacity for 8 people on this pontoon. Simple yet nice helm with storage underneath. More storage for all your tackle. Convenience light. 2 front fishing chairs with storage, each of them lockable with cup holders. And all of the seats in this pontoon fold down. If you have questions on this Harris or any other pontoon here at Dry Dock, please give us a call.